Namaskaram. My name is Prabhas Ranjan Khatua. I am from Odisha. My father's name is Anand Charan Khatua. My guru's name is Sri Alex Raphael. I am going to appear for Bharatanatyam Purna exam. So first question I am going to appear that is your choice of presentation. So I am going to show Alaripa in Tisra Eka. I am going to play the music. I am going to appear for the next question. That is the next question I am going to appear. That is question number 3. Perform Devarnama and mention Raga, Tana and Bhuja. So I am going to perform Devarnama, which is Jagan Mohan Krishna. The composer is Purandar Das. The Raga is Raga Mallika and it is in Aditala. So I am going to play the music. Next question I am going to appear for, that is show all Asamyukta and Samyukta Hastas. I am going to apply that. Coming to Asamyukta Hasta, that is single hand gesture. There are 28 types of single hand gesture in Bharatanatyam. So I am going to show that in both hands. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardhapataka, Kartarimukha, Mayuraka, Ardhachandra, Arala, Sukatunda, Mushtischa, Sikarakyascha, Kapitha, Katakamukha, Mushtischa, Sikarakyascha, Kapitha, Katakamukha, Mushtischa, Sikarakyascha, Kapitha, Katakamukha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sarpashirastata, Mrigashirsha, Singhamukha, Kangulascha, Alapadmakah, Chatura, Brahmarasaiva, Hamsasya, Hamsapakshakah, Samdamsu, Mukulasaiva, Tamrachuda, Trisudakam. Itya Asamyukta Ashtavinshati Iritam. So these are the 28 types Asamyukta Hasta. Then I am going to show Sanjukta Hasta, the 23 types. Anjalischa, Kapotascha, Karkata, Swastika Tatha, Dola Hasta, Puspaputa, Utshanga, Shivalingakaha, Dola Hasta, Puspaputa, Utshanga, Shivalingakaha, Kataka Vardhanam Saiva, Kartari, Swastika Tatha, Kataka Vardhanam Saiva, Kartari, Swastika Tatha, Shakatam, Shankha, Chakrecha, Shamputa, Pasakilakau, Matsya, Kurma, Varahasya, Garudo, Nagabandhakaha, Khatva, Bherunda, Kakescha, Avahita Tathaivacha. So these are the Sanjukta Hasta. Then I am going to appear for the next question. Demonstrates Shiro Veda and Griva Veda. So coming to Shiro Veda means head movements in Bharatanatyam dance. So there are 9 Shiro Veda. So I am going to show that. Samam, Udvahitam, Adhomukham, Aloritam, Dhutam, Kampitam cha, Parabhrutam, Ukshiptam, Parivahitam, Nabada Katita Shisham, Natya Shastra Visaradhe. So these are the 9 types of Shiroveda or head movements. Then there are Griva Veda. There are 4 types of Griva Veda or neck movements in our Bharatanatyam dance. So I am going to show that. Sundaricha Tiraschinna Tatheva Paribhaktitam Prakampitascha Bhavagne Kriva Veda Chaturbhida. So these are the 4 types of neck movements. So with this I completed the practical question paper. So now I am going to appear for the oral theory. So let me see the questions. What are the questions? So oral theory, answer any two. Name the Sapta Talas and its angas with symbol. So in Karnataka music system or in Indian classical music, Karnataka music system, there are Sapta Talas like Dhruva, Madhyam, Rupaka, Jampa, Tripura, Ata, Eka. So these are the 7 talas. So in every tala there will be angas like Lagu, Dhrutam and Anudrutam. Lagu is represented by single line, where Dhrutam represented by a circle and Anudrutam in U symbol. So in Dhruva its angas are like 1 Lagu, 1 Dhruta, 1 Lagu, 1 Lagu. Then in Madhya Tala there are 3 components like first Lagu, then Dhruta, then Laghu, Dhruva, Madhya, Rupaka. In Rupaka Tala, first is Dhruta, another anga is Laghu. Dhruva, Madhya, Rupaka, Jampa, Ata, Jampa, Triputa, Ata, Eka. In Jampa Tala, there is one Laghu, then one Anudhruta, then one Dhruta. In Triputa Tala, one Laghu, two Dhrutas, like one Laghu, one Dhruta, then another Dhruta. Dhruva, Madhya, Rupaka, Jampa, Triputa, Ata, Eka. In Ata Tala, there are two Laghus and two Dhrutas, like one Laghu, one Laghu, then one Dhruta, one Dhruta. Then Ekatala, in Ekatala, the only one Anga, that is Laghu. So these are the Sapta Talas, and these Talas are changed by the Jati. There are 5 Jatis: Tisra, Chaturasra, Khanda, Misra, and Sankirna. Only the Laghu component or Laghu Anga is changed as per the Jati of the Tala. So with the Jati, the Laghu will change the counts. For Tisra, Chaturasra, Khanda, Misra, and Sankirna, the counts will change as per the Jatis. So next question. Name the Saptatalas Angas with symbols. So symbol, let me complete the symbols also. In Dhruva it's 1011 or line, circle, then are 2 lines. Dhruva, Madhya, in Madhya Tala it's 101 or line, circle, then line. Dhruva, Madhya, Rupaka. In Rupaka Tala it's represented by 0 and 1, like otherwise you can tell like one circle and one line. Dhruva, Madhya, Rupaka. Jampa Tala represented by 1 U and 0, that is one line, one U symbol, then one circle, that is Jampa Tala. Then Triputa Tala symbol is 1 0 0, like one Laghu, 2 Dhrutams, or one line, 2 circles. Triputa, then Dhruva, Madhya, Rupaka, Jampa, Triputa, Ata, Eka. In Ata Tala, that is represented by the symbol is 1 1 0 0, or 2 lines, then 2 circles. And Ekatala represented by one line, single line, or one symbol. So this completes the oral theory question number 1. Now I am going to tell the terminologies, definition. The question number 3, definition of Nritya, and Natya. So first is Nritya. Nritya means pure dance. Like in Bharatanatyam dance, there will be only dance, like body movements, pure body movements with the body movements. There we used our Angas. So in this Nritya, mainly this is used for Anga Suddhi, Nritya Hasta, and Tala Suddhi. So this is the Nritya terminology. That means pure dance, pure bodily movement for the dance. That is Nritya. Then Nritya means dance, pure dance. Along with that, also Abhinaya part is there. Here comes the Rasa. Rasa means Abhinaya part comes here in Nritya. So the dance, pure dance with the Abhinaya, that is called Nritya. The example of Nritya is like Sabdam, Kirtanam, Padam. These are example of Nritya. I forgot to mention the example of pure dance or Nritya, that is Alaripa. Alaripa is the pure example of Nritya. Then I told Nritya, for Nritya the pure example is like Sabdam, Padam, and Kirtanam. These are the example of Nritya. Then the terminology Natya. Natya means when we are going to depict a story, there will be a theme in Natya. For example, Ramayana. So in that theme, there will be specific characters. They will be portraying that role, and there will be speech, dialogues, or they can also be singing. So in Natya, there will be dance, there will be speech, there will be speech, or they can sing also, and there will be music, there will be Abhinaya also. So in Natya, everything will be there, like Abhinaya, speech, music, and dance. So in Natya, the example is, suppose we are doing Ram Leela, we are showing the Ramayana story, that will be example of Natya. So these are 3 terminology in Bharatanatyam: Nritya, Natya, Nritya, and Natya. So along with this, I completed the 2 questions oral theory. Also, I completed the complete exam. Thank you very much. नमस्कार.